These are the tools that I looked at today to peek behind the curtain of price action to short the market and call the highs of ES at 64.48 and get short in the market to sell the market all the way down to these 31s and close near this low. Now, I'm going to give you guys my whole game plan and explanation as to why I got into this trade, what I saw on the footprint, the book map, and the candlestick charts and Fibonacci volume profile, all to come together into an A+ trade plan. So, step one. Off the open, I drew this volume profile. The market started to move down. We popped up, sold back off again, moved back down into these 30s, right? It popped up very strong. Actual good buying effort. You can see this on the book map here. Nice big green bubbles, lots of buyers lifting the offer all the way up into these 50s. As soon as we got up into these 50s, I noticed that there was a volume tail starting to develop. A lot more volume being done right here at these 48s than up here at these 50s and above. As you can see, these zero prints up here, a little misprint on the flick up. So something that I was looking for were offers, number one, to appear, which they did right here. Number two, I was looking for positive delta, which started to develop here at these 48s. Chris shouted out to me this level that he was looking at right here, which was this pre-market level, these 49s, 50s, that the pre-market was being supported and then fell through at the open, bounced up off of these lows and then had struggle getting back through this level right here. Quality break and retest setup at the 49s. I named the setup trap buyers high a day, took it short. But this is a clean break and retest right here, structure wise. Shout out Chris for that level. Right here, we started to move down. First target was the 40s. I wanted to gauge the strength and weakness around the 40s because I would be up about 8 points at that point. In the 40s, what I saw was selling that continued to come in. Every pop-up got sold into number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and so on and so forth, all the way down. Once price was down here, I moved my stop to break even. And then once it moved down a little bit more, I went 4-point trailing stop. So my worst case scenario on this trade was a 4-point profit. I took 17.5 points of profit on 3.5 points of risk. What I did was as soon as this got reclaimed under on the third retest of this book map, you see lots of buying, but it won't move up. Lots of buying, but it won't move up. Sellers coming in on every dip. Right here, after this final third test, I got short right there at the 48s, and I put my stop above this high up here at these 51s. Okay, 48s, 51s, about a 3.5 point risk on that. And I was speculating that the market would be able to get back down at least to these 40s, and then if past that, the 30s. So I closed out the 31s. I caught this trade in the DTI live trading room with Raul and Chris today. Really, really solid setup. Lots of members in the live caught it, as you can see right here, www. Yeah, lots of value in there. We talk about the setups we take. We recap everything. So link in bio is to join. You guys have a great day.